Right off the bat, notice the angle from which we see the scene unfold. If we were to draw a line across the back of the elevator and toward the entrance, we'd get a triangle. Include the central location of the action, and we get an all-seeing eye, universal symbol of the Illuminati. Just a few moments later, Jay-Z, Beyoncé, and Solange begin their altercation standing in, you guessed it, a triangle. If we extend this shape logically to include the bodyguard, you get a pyramid, universal symbol of the Illuminati. I don't make this up, folks. I just say what I see. Next, I'm going to pause on our first real bombshell. As Solange hits Jay-Z, this goes flying. What is this? Skeptics, I'd love to hear an explanation for this piece of debris which jettisons from Jay-Z's person, or perhaps from Jay-Z's exoskeleton. Is this a piece of reptilian holographic technology? You decide. Next, we must discuss Beyoncé. She stands in the corner and simply watches what unfolds. What else simply stands and watches? An owl? Universal symbol of wisdom and illumination, revered in the Bohemian Grove, and universal symbol of the Illuminati. I understand skepticism, but look, I'm not making any of this up. It's right there in front of your face. Last, we're going to have our most disturbing piece of evidence, surely the most insidious subconscious message being delivered to the sheeple by this viral clip. When Jay-Z catches Solange's kick, we receive the final piece of motion imprint from this dangerous video. Let's draw a line across the vector of her kick, now across the vector of her initial entrance and her attack, the vector on which the bodyguard drags her away and the verbal assault continues, and the vector of Jay-Z's ultimate exit from the scene. We get the five-sided star, the pentagram, universal symbol of the Illuminati. I'm not making this up. It's right there, all within the triangular frame of this seemingly leaked video. The truth can be hard to face, but there it is. Jay-Z has 99 problems. Turn that upside down, you get 66. He now has one more problem, and that's Solange. Combine the 1 and the S, and what does he get? Yes, another 6. 666, universal symbol of the Illuminati. I'm not making this up, folks. I'm just connecting the dots. I just say what I see.